Welcome, fellow adventurers. If you've ever had mixed feelings before your first flight, well, you're not alone. Today, we're turning those experiences into jet-setting confidence. Hang on as we guide you through what you must know and do to make your journey seamless. If you are new here, welcome to Everything Travel. We're dedicated to transforming your travel dreams into reality. Whether you're a frequent flyer or a first-time flyer, this channel is your go-to destination for invaluable travel tips, destination guides, insider hacks, and mesmerizing experiences waiting to be discovered. Don't miss out on our uploads, so hit that subscribe button, like, and engage with us in the comments below. Let's make every travel moment an unforgettable adventure. Let's dive into the 4 segments of our guide. Segment 1, preparing for your flight. Let's kick things off with the pre-flight checklist. First things first, secure your flight tickets whether you're using a travel app or booking directly through the airline's website. Make sure to double-check the dates, times, and airport codes before confirming your booking. Next up, gather your essential travel documents. Packing smart is key. Check your airline's baggage allowance and restrictions. Prepare your luggage essentials, clothing, toiletries, medications, and any valuable items. Remember to pack travel-sized liquids in a clear, sealable bag for security checks. Explore your check-in options. Most airlines offer online check-in, allowing you to select seats and avoid queues at the airport. If not done online, plan to arrive early at the airport to complete the check-in process smoothly. Be security ready. Ensure prohibited items are not packed in your carry-on. Consider wearing easily removable shoes and minimal jewelry to speed up the security screening process. Consider travel insurance for added protection. Also, if necessary, research health recommendations or required vaccinations for your destination and schedule any needed appointments well in advance. Next on our list is Segment 2, on navigating the airport. Be sure to consider and take note of the following once you are at the airport. Plan your arrival wisely. Aim to reach the airport at least 2-3 hours before your flight's departure time to allow ample time for check-in, security, and unexpected delays. Whether you've checked in online or need to do it at the airport, head to the designated check-in counter. Have your identification and travel documents ready for a smooth process. If you have checked baggage, proceed to the baggage drop-off after check-in. Ensure your luggage is securely tagged and meets the airline's weight and size requirements. Security screening. Pass through the security checkpoint swiftly by removing items like belts, jackets, and electronics for scanning. Place liquids in a clear, sealable bag and follow security officers' instructions. Navigating to the departure gate. Once through security, head towards your departure gate. Check your boarding pass for the gate number and keep an eye on airport signage or digital screens for directions. Take note of airport amenities like restrooms, dining options, and lounges located near your gate. Utilize this time for any last-minute necessities or relaxation before boarding. As boarding time approaches, keep your boarding pass and identification readily accessible. Pay attention to boarding announcements and follow instructions for boarding groups. What happens after all these? Definitely boarding next, and that leads us to our next segment. Segment 3, boarding and in-flight etiquette. Stay attentive to boarding announcements. Listen for your boarding group or seat row, ensuring you board at the appropriate time to avoid congestion. Efficient boarding. Follow the boarding order. Wait for your turn. Have your boarding pass and identification ready for scanning. Greet the flight attendants with a smile as you enter the aircraft. Stow your carry-on items efficiently. Place smaller items under the seat in front of you and larger ones in the overhead bins, ensuring they're placed securely and without overcrowding. Seating etiquette. Respect other passengers' space. Avoid reclining your seat abruptly and be considerate when using shared armrests. Remember, a little courtesy goes a long way. Once seated, buckle up for safety. Power down larger electronic devices during takeoff and landing as per airline instructions and use headphones for audio. Pay attention to the safety instruction provided by the flight attendants. Review the safety card in the seat pocket for emergency procedures. In movement and restroom etiquette. Be mindful of other passengers when moving around the cabin. Wait for your turn for restroom use and keep your visits brief to accommodate others. During the flight, maintain a reasonable noise level. Use headphones for personal entertainment and be mindful of conversations to ensure a comfortable atmosphere. And the final segment. Segment 4, air travel challenges. Flight delays or cancellations preparation. Stay informed. Before heading to the airport, check your flight status online or through airline apps. Have a backup plan in case of delays or cancellations. Turbulence is normal. Stay calm, keep your seatbelt fastened, and follow crew instructions. Consider choosing seats over the wings for a smoother ride. Combat jet lag by adjusting your sleep schedule before departure, staying hydrated, and syncing meal times with your destination's time zone. Take short naps if needed upon arrival. And you could also click the link above the screen to watch our upload on 10 jet lag hacks to assist in making your next flight a great one. Stay comfort during long flights. Stay comfy, dress in layers, move around periodically, and consider bringing travel pillows or compression socks for long-haul flights to enhance comfort. If you feel anxious, practice deep breathing or try relaxation techniques. Engage in in-flight entertainment or distract yourself with a book or music. Culturally sensitive. Research and respect cultural norms at your destination. Learn a few basic phrases in the local language to enhance your experience. Prepare necessary documents for immigration and customs. Fill out forms accurately and have passport and visa information readily accessible. If these tips lifted your flight spirits, or if you have your own first-time flying tips, share them below. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more exciting travel guides and tips. And that's it. Remember, the sky's the limit, and your first flight is the start of an incredible adventure. Safe travels, and see you next time.